Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to graph the function by hand, not by plotting points, but by starting with the graph of one of the standard functions. Here we have y is equal to the absolute value of x, and applying the appropriate transformations to get us to our function y is equal to the absolute value of x minus 2. So this subtraction of 2 means that we are shifting 2 units. Since the 2 is coming outside of the actual function, it's not contained within the absolute value, it's not the absolute value of x minus 2, we take the absolute value of x and then we subtract 2. This means we are vertically shifting. And it's negative, so that is going to be down. This is the only transformation we have to do. So we just take our points. So at 0, 0 gets moved to 0, negative 2. 2, 2 gets moved to 2, 0. Negative 2, 2 gets moved to negative 2, 0, and so on. And we just have a function that runs parallel 2 units below the other one. So here we have the absolute value of x, and here we have y is equal to the absolute value of x minus 2.